Hi, friends! Let's learn to count with wild animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, it's a monkey! Let's count together. 1. The monkey makes a chatter sound. Chatter, chatter! The monkey is swinging. Swing your arms like a monkey. Wow, here comes Mighty Lion. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 lions. Listen, the lion sound is roar. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Here comes elephant. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 elephants. Listen to the elephants. They trumpet. Can you pretend to have a trunk and wave your trunk like an elephant? Look at this zebra. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zebras. Zebras make a whinny sound. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Can you neigh like a zebra? Wow, that's a giraffe. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 giraffes. Giraffes don't roar or chirp, but they hum softly. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe? Uh-oh, I see a crocodile. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crocodiles. Crocodiles hiss and growl. Hiss! Grrr! Can you snap your hands like a crocodile? Snap, snap! Look at this beautiful parrot. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parrots. Parrots love to squawk. Squawk, squawk. Can you flap your arms like a parrot? Flap, flap. Wow, look at the fox. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 foxes. Foxes make a yipping sound. Yip, yip. Can you say yip, yip like a fox? Wow, look at the owl. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 owls. Owls say hoot hoot. Can you hoot like an owl? Hoot hoot. Look, here comes a wolf. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 wolves. Wolves howl. Listen. Ow! Can you howl like a wolf? Hello. Let's go and meet some amazing forest friends. Look, it's a big fluffy bear. The bear says, grrr. Bears live in temperate forests. Did you know bears have a super sense of smell? They can sniff out food from far, far away. Hoo-hoo! An owl is sitting on a tree branch. Owls live in rainforests. Guess what? Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. Here's a sneaky fox. The fox says, yip, yip. Foxes live in deciduous forests. Fun fact, Foxes have special whiskers on their legs to help them feel in the dark. It's a gentle deer. The deer says, "Ba-ba." Deer live in woodland forests. Did you know deer can jump super high, like as high as a swing set? A howling wolf. The wolf says, "Ah, whoa." Wolves live in boreal forests. Wolves are team players. They work together to find food. Tap, tap, tap. It's a woodpecker pecking a tree. Woodpeckers live in temperate forests. Woodpeckers have long tongues to catch yummy bugs hiding in trees. Chitter, chitter. It's a playful squirrel. Squirrels live in woodlands. Did you know squirrels can jump 10 times their body length? That's like jumping over 10 of themselves. Hop, hop. Here comes a cute rabbit. Rabbits live near forests and grasslands. Here's a fun fact. Rabbits can see behind them without even turning their heads. Snuffle, snuffle. It's a porcupine. Porcupines live in woodlands. Porcupines have sharp, pointy quills to protect themselves if they feel scared. Look at this prickly little hedgehog. Hedgehogs live in temperate forests. When they're scared, they curl up into a tiny ball. Chip, chip, a speedy chipmunk. Chipmunks live in woodlands. They have special pouches in their cheeks to store food. Chitter chatter, there's a raccoon. Raccoons live in deciduous forests. Fun fact, they have hands that can open things, like little fingers. Gnaw, gnaw, it's a beaver busy building its dam. Beavers live near forest rivers. They use sticks and mud to build their homes, just like little architects. Look at the quiet lynx. The lynx says growl. Lynxes live in boreal forests. Their big furry paws help them walk on snowy ground like snowshoes. Squeak, squeak. Bats are flying in the sky. They live in rainforests and woodlands. Bats use sound to see in the dark while they fly. Look at that spotted jaguar. The jaguar says roar. Jaguars live in rainforests. They are amazing swimmers and love the water. Look closely. It's a chameleon. Chameleons live in rainforests and can change colors to blend in with their surroundings. Oh, ooh, ah, ah, a playful monkey swings by. Monkeys live in rainforests. They can use their tails like an extra hand. Here comes a big tiger. The tiger says grrr. Tigers live in rainforests and temperate forests. Did you know tigers love to swim? Trumpet. It's a mighty elephant. Elephants live in rainforest. Their trunks are like long noses they can use to grab things. Look, it's a panda munching on bamboo. Pandas live in bamboo forests and eat almost only bamboo. Yum! Here's a giraffe. Giraffes live in savanna forests. They have long tongues to reach high leaves on trees. A quiet panther stalks by. Panthers live in rainforests. They can see very well in the dark. Grunt, a sleepy koala. Koalas live in eucalyptus forests and can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Snarl, a busy badger. Badgers live in woodlands and dig underground homes called sets. Hello, friends. Today we're going on a super fun adventure to the zoo. We'll explore and meet lots of amazing animals like lions, pandas, giraffes, and even penguins. Are you ready to discover the wild world of the zoo? Let's grab our zoo map and get started. Look at this map. The zoo is so big with so many animals to visit. Where should we go first? Let's start with the lions. Let's see. Oh, the lions are right over here. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. They live in groups called prides and love to rest under shady trees. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? That's amazing! Let's check the map for our next animal. Next stop, elephants. Wow, elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have long trunks to pick up food, drink water, and even give themselves a shower. Elephants love to eat grass, fruits, and bark. They're so gentle and kind. Let's go back to the map. It's time to meet the zebras. Look at those black and white stripes. Each zebra has a unique pattern, just like our fingerprints. Zebras love to eat grass and stay in herds for safety. What a cool animal! What's next on our map? Ooh, let's visit the giraffes next. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Their long necks help them reach the leaves at the top of tall trees. They love to munch on acacia leaves. Isn't that fascinating? Back to the map. Next up, penguins. Penguins may live in cold places, but they sure know how to have fun. They waddle around and slide on their bellies. Penguins eat fish and are excellent swimmers. What fun creatures! Where to next? Let's go meet the tigers. Tigers have beautiful orange coats with black stripes. They're powerful hunters and love eating meat. Tigers are also great swimmers. Look how majestic they are. Let's check the map again. Oh, the monkey exhibit is close by. Monkeys are playful and love to swing from tree to tree. They eat fruits, leaves, and even insects. Can you scratch your head like a monkey? Haha, they're so silly. Next stop on the map. Let's visit the flamingos. Flamingos are bright pink because of the food they eat, shrimp and algae. They stand on one leg to rest. Look at them walking gracefully by the water. Back to the map we go. It's time to hop over to the kangaroos. Kangaroos have strong legs to jump long distances. They carry their babies, called joeys, in their pouches. Boing, boing! Can you hop like a kangaroo? Check the map for the next animal. Let's go find the pandas. Pandas are fluffy and love to eat bamboo all day. They're calm and peaceful animals. Look at that adorable face. Aren't they the cutest? Where to next? Let's head to the bear habitat next. Bears are big and strong. They love eating berries, honey, and fish. Some bears hibernate in the winter, which means they sleep for months to save energy. Isn't that cool? Let's see who's next on our map. Oh, it's time to visit the rhinoceroses. Rhinos are huge animals with thick skin and 1 or 2 horns on their noses. They love eating grass, fruits, and leaves. Did you know rhinos can run fast despite their size? Back to the map we go. Next up, the parrot aviary. Parrots are colorful birds that love to mimic sounds, including human voices. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruits. Look at those bright feathers. Aren't they amazing? Time to check the map for the next animal. Let's visit the peacocks now. Peacocks have beautiful, shiny tail feathers. They spread out like a fan. They love to eat seeds and insects. Did you know only male peacocks have the big, colorful tails? How fancy! What's next on our map? It's time to meet the wolves. Wolves live in packs and love to howl to communicate with each other. They are smart hunters and eat meat. Look how they run together like a family. Let's check the map again. Next stop, the hippos. Hippos are large animals that spend most of their time in the water to stay cool. They love eating grass and can hold their breath underwater for a long time. What funny big mouths they have. Back to the map for our next animal. Let's visit the cheetahs next. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, running up to 60 miles per hour. They have spotted coats to help them hide while hunting. What incredible speedsters! What's next on the map? Time to meet the otters. Otters are playful animals that love to swim and eat fish. They hold hands while they sleep in the water to stay close. How cute is that? Let's head back to the map. Let's visit the crocodiles. Crocodiles are powerful reptiles that live near rivers and lakes. They eat fish, birds, and other animals. They're excellent swimmers and can stay underwater for a long time. What's our last stop? Finally, Let's meet the owls. Owls are nocturnal, which means they are awake at night. They have big eyes to see in the dark and love to eat small animals like mice. Their hoots are so calming, don't you think? What an incredible day at the zoo, kids! We met so many amazing animals and learned cool facts about them. Hope you had fun! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Zuzu Funhouse. Bye!